PermaStripe is the world's most effective and durable line marking system. Designed to be long-lasting and provide a complete industrial-grade marking solution for factories, warehouses, and many more. PermaStripe has many different benefits which make it the top choice for a marking solution, available in many different roll sizes and cut shapes. But we also offer custom solutions to allow you to create a complete system that matches your requirements. PermaStripe is a great way to achieve 5S optimization in any workplace. From warehouses to factories, this material will create a fully optimized workplace, which will run efficiently, effectively, and safely. PermaStripe is a far more efficient system than line marking paint, offering an instant solution that can be applied in minutes in many situations, with minimal downtime. Unlike paint, PermaStripe does not give off any fumes, allowing application in environments with strict hygiene regulations. For large areas, PermaStripe's custom-designed line marking applicator allows for efficient application, giving you the ability to apply PermaStripe to a large area in a greatly reduced time. PermaStripe Smooth is a line marking system with all the benefits of PermaStripe, but has a completely smooth surface to allow for easier cleaning.